Ultra Core Communication Backpack. But before we get into it, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. A line of figures came out a few years ago called Ultra Core. The figures had horrible articulation, but the equipment was really cool, and this is one of them. The outside sculpting is pretty neat, but I think the best part about this is the fold-down computer element in it. I printed off some decals several years ago, and looking at this I realized that there's a lot of room in here for other things, so I might end up upgrading this again. When you fold up the tray, there seems to be plenty of room to maybe add things. I think maybe even a communication headset would be cool to add for this. The antenna's off of a flip phone from a long time ago, and it just screwed into the hole that was at the top of this backpack. I think the backpack had a flashlight that went with it. The straps are elastic, so they fit figures really well, no matter the size of the figure. And it's not too heavy, so the figure can still stand on its own. It's great that you could fold this out on a flat surface and have your G.I. Joe communicate with his teammates. I think this backpack has a lot of cool features. I'm looking forward to maybe upgrading it again. Thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Click on the other videos if you'd like to watch more. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.